So hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to. This is my first video. I passed about 1 year, and I'm going to show you on how to make your character move on Turbo Warp or Scratch. So it's easy to download Turbo Warp or Scratch. Go to your first of all, before we get into the tutorial, we need to download Scratch or Turbo Warp. So what you want to do is search Scratch and do Scratch download. Right? Scratch download. Easy, right? Now go to, if you want to use Turbo Warp, which is Scratch but better, you can search Turbo Warp. Turbo Warp. When it's done, click on the first link that pops up if you're using Scratch, which is Untitled called. It's called Untitled. And then you want to select your Windows, your Mac, your Chrome, or your Android. And you could install it. It says get it from Microsoft Store or Microsoft Store, yeah. Or you could do a direct download. In this situation, we want to do a direct download, and it's gonna start downloading. For Turbo Warp, click the first one too, and then while it loads here, you can download it. Actually, I don't know how to download it. Oh, I forgot to do Turbo Warp download. So what you want to do is Turbo Warp download. Once you've done that, click on the first link, this time for real, and then you can press the download installer for Windows 10 Plus, or you can get it from the Microsoft Store. If you want direct download, you can press here. You already had it. Or if you want to go to Microsoft Store, you could go here and you can search up Turbo Warp or Scratch and download it from there. Now we finished with our tutorial on how we could download. So now what you want to go to the Events tab. Also, I'm using my own custom color panel for it. So you can find it here. It's block colors, and I did it all customizing all the settings. I'm also sick, but that's okay. What you want to do is grab it. So I'm gonna be showing you on how to do it with my blocks. And normally the variables, I'm still gonna do the very next session of our tutorials. So what you want to do is go to the events and grab a when green flag clicked. So it means when this green flag is clicked up here, right? Got that? You want to grab a forever, which means whatever code is put in here, it will be on forever. It can do it. So now we gotta grab an if then block and go to Sensi triggers or Sensi blocks. I like to call it Sensi triggers. And then you want to grab key space pressed. And then if you want to use the arrow keys, you can use it here. But I'm gonna use the WASD keyboard thing. Oh boy, I think. Sorry guys. Sorry if I scared you a little bit, which I probably did. I need to plug in my computer real quick. I really want to do this tutorial. I'm sorry, alright, I'm sorry. I forgot. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm going to use process. So this is gonna be for the right arrow or the left. So we're gonna do the left. And then once you did that, you wanna go to motion and grab move 10 steps, and then you want to change that to minus 10 steps. Alright, let's test it out. And it works. When I press A, it moves to the left. Now what you want to do is copy this code, duplicate this code, and duplicate it 4 times. We want to have 4 of these codes. Alright, got that? Just on the last 2, remove this, move 2 steps. Right here, we want to change this to D. So what I mean here is forever key A press. If A key press, then it will move to negative A. If you don't know what X means, it means how many distance from this to that. Got it? Alright. Now let's continue. If D pressed, we want to go to the right by 10 steps forever. And if we test it, yeah, good. Now we want to do a up arrow. You can also see here that we have the X changing over. If we go to 0, this is where the sprite starts. If we go to D, if we press D, it will go plus 10, like we said here. We told it. So if we do the front first, if W pressed, let's go ahead and do W. Instead of move steps, we want to change Y by 10. Save it over here just with the key S and a negative number. We want to change Y by negative 10. So now if we go ahead and test it, it works. So I hope this was helpful for your game, and I'm expecting you to make very good games. And I will soon show you how to not make this go past the edge. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.